When the grid dies and the cold moves in, fire won't save you. The smoke gives you away, the light attracts problems, and the wood runs out. But your body is a furnace that runs on spite and trash. Here's how to keep it burning. Let me show you how to survive the cold using nothing but physics, garbage, and the stubborn refusal to freeze to death in a world that doesn't care. Here's the thing nobody tells you. You're already a 100-watt biological heater. Your metabolism is burning calories right now, turning food into motion, thought, and most importantly, warmth. The problem? The cold is a thief. It steals that heat in 3 brutal ways. Conduction. You sit on frozen ground and the earth drinks your warmth like a vampire. Convection. Wind rips across your skin, peeling away heat faster than you can make it. Radiation. Your body just bleeds infrared energy into the void, invisible but deadly. Your job isn't to make fire, it's to stop the bleeding. Method 1. The walking sleeping bag. Layers aren't just fashion advice from a dead hiker's journal. They're physics. Base layer wicks moisture. Wet skin is a death sentence. Water conducts heat 25 times faster than air. Wool, or synthetics, cotton kills. Insulation layer, fleece, down, crumpled up newspaper, dry leaves, literal garbage. Anything that traps dead air. Air is one of the best insulators on the planet, but only if it's still. Moving air is convection, and convection is the enemy. Shell. A windproof outer layer. Trash bags work, tarps work. That old poncho you found in a gas station dumpster. Congratulations, you're now weatherproof. Pro tip. Stuff your jacket with insulation. Cram dry grass, shredded paper, or foam from a torn-up seat cushion between your layers. You're trying to not die looking stupid, and for the love of all things warm, cover your head. Lose heat there and your brain starts making bad calls like taking off your jacket because you feel hot. That's hypothermia talking. Don't listen. The cold presses in, but you have more tricks. You're going to use nature and trash to build a personal fortress. Method 2, the debris hut. Nature's sleeping bag made of trash. No tent, no sleeping bag, no problem. Find a long branch, your ridgepole. Prop one end on a tree or a rock about waist high. Pile smaller branches along both sides like ribs on a spine. You're making a skeleton. Now comes the magic. Bury it. Pile on leaves, pine needles, grass, moss, anything organic and dry. Pile it on thick, at least 2 feet deep. This isn't a roof. It's insulation. Crawl inside. It's tight. It's claustrophobic. Perfect. That means it's small enough that your body heat will actually warm the space. A debris hut done right can keep you alive in sub-zero temps. Pro tip. Line the inside floor with more debris. Don't lie directly on the ground unless you want conduction to suck the life out of you like a frozen leech. Method 3. The Mylar burrito. Reflect your heat back like a sad, crinkly mirror. Those shiny emergency blankets are radiant heat reflectors and they work. Your body radiates infrared heat constantly. Wrap yourself in Mylar, and suddenly that heat bounces back at you. It's like being inside a thermos. How to use it right. Don't just drape it over yourself like a cape. Layer it between blankets or inside your jacket. Use it as a ground sheet to block conduction. Tape it to the walls of your shelter to turn the whole thing into a low-budget sauna. No Mylar? Aluminum foil works, so does reflective bubble wrap. Hell, even a car sunshade flipped shiny side in will do the job. Science is just expensive trash that works. Method 4. The water bottle radiator. This is bootleg central heating at its finest. Find a durable bottle and fill it with hot water, not boiling. Wrap that bottle in a sock or a shirt and tuck it into your sleeping bag right up against your core. That water holds heat for hours. And when it finally cools down, you've got drinking water. 2 birds, 1 bottle. No hot water source? Fine. Use your own body. Fill a bottle with whatever water you have and tuck it against your stomach or in an armpit. Once it's warm, move it down to your feet. You're now a human-powered heat pump, cycling warmth to your extremities. It's a closed-loop system powered by you. You're cold. You're out of options. So listen up. You have one more layer of defense, the tactics of desperation. Method 5. The cardboard cocoon. Don't laugh. Cardboard is absolute magic. It's everywhere and it's full of tiny trapped air pockets, flatten-out boxes. Layer them on the ground under you to stop the cold from seeping into your bones. That's blocking conduction. Tape them over windows to kill drafts. You can even wear it. Shove it under your jacket like medieval armor. You'll look ridiculous, but you'll be warm. If you're stuck in a car, line the entire interior with flattened boxes. You're building a little cardboard cave inside your vehicle. It traps your body heat and blocks the wind like a fortress. In any city, cardboard is the duct tape of survival. Method 6, the huddle. This one's primal. If you are with other people, you get close. The cold does not care about your personal space. Huddle up back to back, side by side, share blankets, share sleeping bags. It's biology. 2 people in one bag will stay warmer than 2 in separate bags. Penguins do it. Wolves do it. You are not above it. And if you're alone, fetal position, knees to your chest, arms wrapped around them. You're minimizing your surface area. Less surface area means less heat escaping into the void. And if you have a dog, congratulations. You're sleeping with a 101 degree furnace that has its own fur coat. Use it. The final win. Why does all this work better than a fire? Fire is fragile. It needs fuel, oxygen, and to be dry. Your body is a biochemical furnace that runs on fat, carbs, and pure spite. You just have to feed it, hydrate it, and most importantly, insulate it. The secret to survival isn't about making more heat. The secret is stopping that heat from escaping. You're plugging the leaks. The night drags on. The cold presses in. But you are layered. You are insulated. You are huddled. Your core temperature holds. Your brain still works. No matches. No problem. You're surviving on physics, trash, and the stubborn refusal to freeze. If you wake up in the morning, you didn't get lucky. You won.